Another day with the beauty. This thing is looking so good. I grabbed some brake cleaner from AutoZone. You have to grab them when they're cheap. The 245. And also here's the hole for the J pipe. About to finish what I started. I had to run out the other day because my son got sick, so car life. So pretty much about to finish now. Before I put everything back in, I wanted to do something is I wanted to use this heat repellent tape and then just wrap it up around the piping just to avoid heat soaking, you know. So here it is, pretty simple, you know, straightforward, just wrap it all around and you'll be good. Now time to put the pipe in. Oh man, fits right in. Okay, so I try to put the piping in. I kind of needed to take out the heat shield because it was very kind of limited of access in here on this last bolt. So I kind of got it now, and this still looks nice. It's nice and clean. Now I don't know if you recall, but before I put the motor in, I wrapped it everything. Make sure that you guys know the less heats are better. So yeah, the wrap's still looking very clean, still very new. This is impressive. So this is the turbo manifold. I might upgrade it later. I might not. This is the stock one that came with the 1Jz vvti. Stock turbo. You guys know. Haha. Time to go bigger. Okay, so I just pulled this piping out. This is, I believe that is a charge pipe. This one goes from the intercooler to the turbo, or from the turbo to the intercooler, either one. As I mentioned before, I don't know if I should cap this or just cut it and weld it. I don't know. I mean, even if I want to put the J pipe back in, this really have no use of it. So, you know, I probably could just cap that hose like this. Goes connecting to here. Right. This is the blow-off valve. Recirculate. This is like a recirculation valve, probably. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna cut it and weld it. Let's see how it plays out. So here's the charge pipe. This is the pipe that go from the intercooler to the turbo. Now what I did over here is, as you can see, I chopped it up because, to be honest, it was kind of ugly. I chopped it up. I made it a aluminum plate, fit right on it. It looks a lot better now. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna weld this in place. Hopefully I don't mess up. If I do, I think I'm done. So here it is. Just grinded it down. It looks pretty good, I think. Better than this thing popping out like that, you know? This thing is kind of ugly. I think it's go like this. Ew, come on, really? Fabrication stuff. I think this thing is pretty sealed. Looks good. I'm gonna clean it up and paint it and put it in. It's a charge pipe after paint. It looks pretty good. Here's the heat shield. Now we're using high heat primer and also some high heat paint. It's looking good, huh? After all the grinding and welding, got some finger burn. I don't know what it is. I don't know where I get that from. I think I get it from Kevin. But every time that I finish welding something, I like to just grab it with bare hands, which is not good. I always ended up burning my fingers or something. But this looks good. I'm gonna put this in now. So pretty much put the charge pipe back in. It looks good. The heat shield, silver. I kind of like the silver. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. Actually, it does match with the gold and all that. So what I left to do now is put the mat back up with the L filter, and also put all the vacuum lines back in, and that's pretty much. So about to finish what I started a few days ago with the 240, as you guys know. But like always, starting the day with some energy drink, my PerfectShaker. This thing is so elite. Love this shaker so much. So yes, about to finish what I started a few days ago with the J-pipe delete. Unfortunately, I've been a little busy with work. I've been trying to do the car. You know, I've been trying to do so many things at once lately. But here it is. It's almost done. We got all the piping right, nice and tight. We got the J-pipe delete wrapped up with heat repellent. We got a nice wrap. So yeah, this is the return from the turbo vacuum, right? This is the blow by that goes to the cash can and return to the piping. And pretty much we got some packages right there. More parts. Shit. So yeah, I ordered a few more of this because I love them so much, and they're nice. Quality is pretty good, I think. You can go wrong with them. Now the reason that I'm doing all these heat repellent, you know, mods is because, well, you guys know the JC runs really hot, so we're just trying to, you know, avoid the heat soak as much as possible. So it's pretty much almost done. I think I was just waiting for this. I'm gonna wrap everything up and then give you guys an update. So everything is pretty much done. The wrap is finished. It's looking good. Something a little different, you know. It looks a lot cleaner, it does. Rather than having that piece of metal just hanging in there, you know, with no use. It looks kinda OD in here with the wrapping and stuff, but I think that was the only way, unless I remove the oil catch can or relocate it. I didn't really want to move anything, you know, just leave it as it is. Other than that, the car is good to go. You can get this heat shield in Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Pretty much that I haven't gone in here is from Amazon, like this heat repellent gold tape as well, and also the heat titanium heat wrap. You know, I'm gonna put everything in the description. Make sure that you check it out because the quality of product is very good. Time to fire this baby up. I haven't heard this car for about a week or two, so you know, it's like a newborn baby again, boy. All right, so fuel pump is up, neutral. It's good. Put everything back in. This is the breather tank. Oh, the charge part, I haven't tightened up the charge part yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. The car is pretty much warmed up. It's looking good, no leak or anything crazy. Let's hear it. Whoa, this is crazy. Damn. It looks good. Fantastic. What? It looks pretty clean though, actually. No, don't get me wrong. Like having that thing laying around was kind of ugly, but you know, we fix it, we address it. It looks nice. So I wanted to show you guys something that I received on the mail today. This is gonna change everything. And whoop, is a Nardi steering wheel, guys. Oh my god, so I always wanted this. This wheel, it looks so clean and so beautiful. God damn. It's just so nice. Look at all this. Nardi. And it's suede. Quality. Quality, better quantity. You guys know. So I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put this yet. I think I'm gonna put it on the drift car, or I think I should put it on the unicorn. I'm not really sure yet. Debating what to do, because if I put it on the unicorn, I might have to get another short hub and also a quick release. We under budget now, so things are kind of tight. I don't know what to tell you guys. So I have this one. This one is not bad. This thing a Momo Racing. I kind of like the steering wheel because it's flat. Don't get me wrong, the Nardi is not completely like a dip dish. That's why I got it for. But I don't know. Am I gonna end up like selling this one? This is ultra lightweight because this is aluminum and the quality is very good. And also, besides the Nardi steering wheel that I wanted to show you guys, I want to show you guys that I got some GTR's vent. I think this is for a R32, I'm not really sure, but I'm trying to actually, sounds a little crazy, but open a two vent in here, just so I could have more direct airflow to the radiator and also to the oil cooler. I don't know, it might look good, it might look ugly, but I'm not really sure how it's gonna come out. I don't know what I'm actually doing yet. I don't know if I decide if I wanted to cut this bumper or not. I think, but I don't know. Now the main reason that I want to do all this cooling stuff because I wanted to be able to run hot laps. With this setup, the car is good, but it's not good enough to do hot laps. So I need more direct airflow into the system, like to the radiator and also to the oil cooler. I don't know, let's see. And also I got some shocks over here. This is the Rancho 7000, and that is for the truck down there, the Civ 1500. I've seen good review about this. I don't know, hopefully this will solve the problem, because now every time that I drive the truck I feel like I'm driving a boat. That thing swing left and right. It's crazy. Hopefully this will give more stability and more control to the truck, so you know. That's pretty much, guys. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. What's up with the J-Pipe Delete? It's looking good. And also I got a new steering wheel. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. Like I said, I might put it on the unicorn, I might put it on the drift car, I don't know, we'll see what's up. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.